going on, everybody? Shock ahead. You already know. Feeling the vibes. Crazy hair. Always Afro. So, we are obviously, at Carmark, the shop. Oh, let me go grab my keys. So yesterday when I went to Welding to go pick up my springs off my boy, shout out to Jacob. Yeah, I was driving on the way on the highway over there, and my exhaust decided to go kaplooey. Fucking took a shit right on me. So now the beautiful baby blue sounds like a hot rod. Don't know why. Don't know why. I don't know why it broke, I should say. I mean, I know why it sounds like a hot rod. That's a big ass horsefly. What is that? What is that? I wish I had a dash cam. Like, boom. Boom. See if it stays right there. I doubt it. But yeah, I'm gonna pull it into the shop and get the exhaust welded. Because this do not sound good. Phone just dropped. Alrighty. Oh shit, I forgot. Time lapse complete. Anyways, alright, so look at that, so lovely. So we're gonna try this. I might not even use this little extra metal piece because I don't think I'm gonna need it. Yeah. Alright, I think this is a better spot. I don't know. Honestly, I don't. Looks good, right? It's a little crooked. Alrighty. There we set up. My car. Oh, this is your car. My exhaust broke from right there, the resonator. And then I'll weld that back up. It looks big from here. Yeah, from underneath it looks big. And when you put it on the floor, it's like,
damn, but it's like the Kia Soul.
yeah.
It looks small, but when you put it next to a car, it's the same.
Same exact size. One more thing I want to show you guys. My muffin is seriously cracked all the way around. I think I probably should hit this up too. I'm gonna ask my boss, see what it says. I might end up hitting this up too, because I don't like that crack, and it's probably leaking from there too. Well, yeah. Get back to it. You want to tackle it while I hold it together? Cool. And how's that? Yes, welding without a welding without a welding mask is unsafe, and it can make you go blind. So don't do it. But I mean, you know what I mean? A little popcorny. But it should hold. It should hold. Ow! Just hit the tire. Huh. No, this is the first time I noticed that this tire was stretched up. But anywho, I think it should hold. I gotta drop this downward so I can get to finish the top. But I'm gonna do it from the back. Check out your boy's welds. You know what I'm saying? It's not the prettiest, but that shit is beat it. It's not gonna leak again. Well, that's done. Got some spots I actually want to hit up around here. I feel like this is where my exhaust is leaking out of too. But I can't make that look ugly, so I have to really try to make it look nice. So hopefully I can do it. All right. So, let me show you what I did here. Grinded this all back down because it looked like ass, and obviously I did not seal the cracks. So, that's what I'm gonna try to do. Seal the cracks. Oh, dirt. So, I'm gonna seal the cracks that I have left. And then I'm gonna go for a test drive. Go home, cause it's about that time. You feel me? That didn't come out too bad, though. I switched the heat and the feed line from the welder. Look at that. That don't look too bad right here. From like right here on this way, that looks good. Like right onto that this way, looks horrible. But I'm still practicing, so shit. Yeah, it was cracking all the way around. I don't think we're gonna get bad as exhausted. Nah, I think we're gonna race right now. Alrighty. Let me clean up my mess a little bit, then I'll show you guys the mess of weld that I did there. So I finished doing the weld. Do not look at the rest of the shop. It's all dirty. But yeah, I mean, it doesn't look too bad. It's all welded up, at least from afar. It doesn't look bad. But obviously up close, I was being lazy. I didn't feel like finish grinding this down. I'm trying to leave, man. I've been here all day. You know how that is. Trying to get out of work. But yeah, I'm finished putting those mounts back in, started up for you guys. Nice and quiet like she's supposed to be. Nice pressure. It don't look too bad. I probably should have fixed that side up and left the rest of it because you can't even see the rest of the damn bumper. I'm in the muffler. Yeah. Nice and quiet again. But alright. That's it for this video. I just wanted to show you out real quick. I don't know. I just wanted to show you a video of, you know, my welding job. I feel like I've been getting a little bit better and better at it from my first welds that I started back in Persing. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited for the future, what it holds. Because I don't know, I think I might do exhaust jobs. So I like that, it's fun. I don't know. But yeah, you know, follow your boy. Like, comment, subscribe, you know, the normal things that YouTubers do. But I'll catch y'all next time. Take it easy.